So we do now the following. We want from position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's say from 6, 1, 2, 3. So row 7, and then we want to have, okay, this one, 9 and 12, these are integer. So I'm going to input the number format is this. Okay, so I'm going to create here and do the following. Sub active sheet dot cells 7 dot call number format is this. Okay, I already have this. So we say that we have number format 7, so row 7, 9, 10, 12, and 13 also. I can do with a cycle 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, let's see. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Then I want this as a date. So if I don't know how to do this, developer I need to stop recording. I cannot see this, so I need to do another thing. I'm going to record the macro, and this one format cells date like this or like this. Okay, stop recording. So this number format is this. So I'm going back to my routine here. I'm gonna see who this here. Okay, in 1 plus pause. This is the parameter 1 plus pause, like here. So if I'm going now to call this, you see that now I have exactly the numbers in my formats, the format that I want. Okay, now I see all this amazing information is reported in a way that I want, and I don't need to do anything, because even if I have this open, I can close it. Okay, now I click on get data. I have this. Okay, I can also decide to have to clean the data. So I'm going to record macro. I'm gonna click this area, click on ask cancel. I'm gonna stop recording, going to my module, my macro. Okay, and do this and call it this clear contents as a subroutine. You can input a comment if you want. Oh, at the end, even we don't need this, but it's only one line. Okay, I can also call it like this, clear contents. Okay, and module 2, I'm going to, I don't need this, but anyway, remove module 2. I don't want to save it, and then here I can also rename this. Okay, we can select like this. See the properties. Sorry, this is something that I didn't want to remove. Properties. This is mod calculation calc. Okay, and I save it. Now I'm going to get data. Look now, get data. First of all, I delete everything, and then I have this one. Okay, I can also do this. I'm going to select this and this. Format cells, protection. It's not locked. And now I'm going to review protect sheet. I don't want to select locked cells. Okay, so only this can be. Okay, this is protected. Okay, and to do this I need to do the following. Okay, active sheet and protect, and then again protect. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the following. I'm going to protect, I'm going active sheet, I'm going to do like this. I'm going to inside my main routine, I'm going to do this. I'm going to unprotect and protect the file. So I'm going to different files, external files that you want to import, instead of having them here in this way, like this, then you just use this function and you get data from existing Excel file without opening them.